This is Mame Bonsai. Mame is a Japanese word for bean, typically grown up to 2 to 6 inches tall. How I create this, let's find out. The year is 2021. This is the same rock. First I'll make a stand for it. Here it is, very small tiny rock. I'll grow it on this homemade bamboo pot. This is the Ficus sapling, which used to grow on a deserted wall. After collecting the Ficus, I arrange the roots on the rock and about this soil. Mix it with sand and add some cocoa peat. Now this bonsai is ready to start its journey. This is after 3 years, almost 6 inches tall. Now I have to do some wiring to bring it into shape and a lot of trimming. There are many benefits of regular trimming. New branches will come out. The size of the leaves will be reduced, and with more branches it will give a mature look. I'm not removing the leaves of this branch because I need a quick growth to increase the size of this branch. Clean the stem from the cutting point to get a natural look. And, before wiring, always check out first which side or shape it will look best. And one thing, how to choose your wire. If the wire you choose can bend the stem, then you can wire it. While doing the process of wiring, don't make it tight. It will reduce the upcoming wire bite. Don't remove all these mess while the soil is still wet, otherwise a chunk of soil will come out with it, and it will disturb the growth of natural moss. Now have to wait for few months.